Kirsty Meakin, welcome back to the Nao Nails channel. In this video we are going to do tartan, and guess what? I've got a full tartan suit that I absolutely love. It's got velvet collar and everything, like the pal. It's gorgeous. I look full on Rod Stewart in it.
You do your hair like Rod Stewart as well.
Yeah, well, yeah, I used to be a little bit like that years ago. Yeah, so I'm going to wear it Christmas Day. Yeah.
When you cook for everybody.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
reheat.
Reheat for everybody, yeah. So yeah, we're going to do a tartan nail because I like it a lot. Right, so I'm going to put on the base coat, Urban Graffiti base coat. Pop in the lamp. Now on a background colour, I am going to use this one. It's called Butterscotch. I've got like some kind of Burberry vibes in my head. We're not going to do Burberry, but this is the same kind of colour as the Burberry inspired. So 2 coats of butterscotch. Nice even layer. My God, Adam's just put me on his phone. Second coat of colour. Then we're going to use Devil's Shadow. It's a nice deep red. And this is the 03 liner brush. You're going to do 1 offset, press and pull down. I want to pull and press quite firm because I want it to be as wide as I can get it. I'm going to come across a little bit more, just make it a little bit wider. Then I'm going to cure that. Same brush, same colour. Come over now, going horizontal. You want to create the same thickness as we've just done. Or you could make a real big bodge of it like that. If you do that, you want a little bit of gel residue wipe-off solution on a brush. And just wipe that off like that, just like that. We're going to do one here, and then we'll do one there as well. Pop those little marks there just so I know exactly where I'm going, kind of mapping out that design. Let's cure those. Right, so now I've got firecracker, same brush. Now we're going to use a lighter touch. So lighter touch equals a skinnier line. Cure that one. So you see how the light touch gives you a nice skinny line. So we're basically going either side of those lines that we've done before, and we're already starting to look like a tartan nail. Now we're going to use Midnight Skies. Yeah, it's a shimmery blue, same brush. Let's go through the middle of each sort of section, those little box sections. I'm going to cure that, and then we're going to do one here. You can see as you go and you do one colour at a time, you get these little overlapped sections, and that's what makes it look like it's tartan. Right, to take this to the next level, what we're going to do is we're going to take this red, this firecracker, and we'll need a little brush. So we've got a 001. This is to add a little bit of texture. So what we're going to do is we're going to create little line. So these are going to be little knitted lines. So we're going to shade lighter, and we're going over the top of the darker red with a lighter red to create these little knitted lines. And we're only going to do this on the darker red section. It's just going to make it look a little bit more knitted. And Adam, I'm going to matte top coat this.
There's a shock.
Well, it's not shiny, is it? Tartan's definitely not shiny.
People are very surprised when you don't matte top coat things these days.
Oh, they're like, ooh,
yeah.
She's going for a shiny top coat. Is she feeling all right today? Look at that. It's so cute. It looks like that could be an actual scarf or a tartan skirt Or a tartan jumper? No. We'll go with a tartan suit. Yes. Yeah.
Is that similar to yours then?
No, mine's more red. Mine's definitely, you know, more Rod Stewart, definitely. But I want to do something that may be a little bit more wearable. So there you are. So if you follow this and do this kind of grade technique, you could do it in any colour and you'll still get that tartan effect. You'll get them overlapping and you'll get that gorgeous texture as well. If you do like, even if this was blue and you went over with a lighter blue, you could do those little knitted marks. You could do it in any colour. Just follow this grid and it will be amazing. Don't forget, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Everything I have used today, so all the colours and everything will be listed below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!